Why are you so mean to me? Battles like killing people you don't give a shit about. You won't get the bastards who killed my whole family.
Revenge is not good, Mathilda. Believe me. It's better to forget.
To forget? After I've seen the outline of my brother's body on the floor, you expect me to forget? I want to kill those sons of bitches. I'm gonna blow their fucking heads off.
Nothing's the same after you've killed someone. The life is changed forever. You have to sleep with one eye open for the rest of your life.
Give a shit about sleeping, Léon. Want love? Or death?
Love or death? Get off my case, Mathilda. I'm tired of your game.
It's a really great game, Léon. Makes people nicer. Starts them thinking. The kind of game you love. If I win, you keep me with you for life.